Hi guys, what's up? Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can force reboot your iPhone 10 without the home button. It's very simple guys. Without wasting any time, let's get started. What you need to do is you need to press your volume up button first, and then volume down button first, then volume down, and then at the end you need to hold your power button for some second until you see the Apple logo, guys. Okay, so let's do so. First you need to press volume down, 1, 2 and 3. Just hold your power button until you see the Apple logo. Okay, just wait. Okay guys, here you go. You have successfully force reboot your device. It's that simple guys. Hope you like this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel UnlockBoot. Thank you very much and see you next time.